Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. So over the course of my next few videos, I'm going to unbox all these tools that my friends at Banggood'd have very kindly sent me. All these tools are actually going to be used in the context of renovating and completing the rolling cart that I'm making for the outdoor kitchen in the terrace. But today I'm going to make a really quick video unboxing the contents of this one box. So let's go to the workbench and make a start. Okay, so these are some really simple Ratchet MFT hold down clamps from Banggood'd's range. They come in two sizes, 19 and 20mm diameter ends, depending on what size holes you have in your bench or MFT bench. Mine are 20mm because that's the size that I have for my bench. So when I made my bench last year, I completed the grid of 3mm holes down the length of the workbench, but I only opened up the 20mm holes when and where I need them, and mostly they're down the back edge when I use my bench dog crosscut station. So at the front I've only got a couple of holes opened up, and I actually find myself quite often now wanting to machine or cut things at the front end of the bench. First of all, I'm going to open some more holes up at the front of the bench, and then we'll have a look at the hold down power of these clamps. So let's open this row here of 3mm holes. And to do that I need my UK Parf jig, the dogs, a drill and the 20mm auger. And to do that I just need to put the drill in the first hole, put the tip of the auger in the 3mm holes, and then just drop these pins into the other holes just to hold the jig stable while I make the drill. And then I can just move the drill down to another position, make that hole. Once I run out of 3mm holes to hold the jig down, I can just put the drill bit in the other position, put that in the hole, and then use the dogs just to hold the clamp down. Okay, and opening them holes up is just as easy as that. So what I like to do with my new holes is just run my router with a chamfer bit in, just to clean up the entrance of the hole. So that's my new set of holes. Right, that fits very nice. These clamps have an hold down capacity of 160mm tall by 60mm in width, and they fasten down by pushing the lever that way. So these will be really useful for when sawing or chiseling or using my domino or biscuit jointer over the edge of the bench, and it's about time I actually cut some holes in this front edge to make this MFT bench more useful. I'll put the links in the descriptions for these clamps. Quite simple, don't really need a lot of explanation of how they're used, as long as you've got a 20mm hole or a 19mm if you choose the other version, something to drill an hole into. These will just pop in the hole and tighten them up. Quick video this week guys, and next week we'll be opening some more of these tools in the context of the rolling cart, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers guys, bye. Now when I made my bench last year, I only